Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security settings. Scroll down again and localize this clear credentials option in the credential storage section. So let's tap on it and tap on remove. Let's confirm everything with your pattern, and as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.